Hello and welcome to an update about gold. Now that the futures market has opened, let's take a look at the nanostructure here. And the situation is pretty much still the same as end of last week. But let's take a look at the levels that are now relevant for this week. And yeah, I mean, so far, not really any change. And I just wanted to explain again that we still hold below resistance, which is between $3,256 and $3,304. So that's Fibonacci resistance. The white, I like the idea of this white scenario. In my opinion, it counts best as a wave down. So again, thesis is a larger degree third wave topped here on the 22nd of April. Moved down in an A wave. B wave sideways triangle. And then the C wave to the downside could be unfolding now. This might be a wave 1 to the downside, which bottomed on Thursday. Is this all of wave 2? Maybe, but if that's the wave 2, the third wave should be quite aggressive on the way down. I'm going to zoom in a minute. But in theory, third wave down, fourth wave, fifth wave, down into that area around 3,113, 3,062, 3,031 or so. Yeah, this is what I'm tracking here in this scenario. Yellow count looks a bit odd, looks a bit strange, but also valid as an A wave. B wave triangle finished here on Tuesday instead of Wednesday. And then this was a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Could we get one more low in wave 5? Absolutely. Maybe even as an expanding ending diagonal pattern, which would then look like that. Yeah, so like an expanding diagonal. They are not that common though, but that's possible. Okay. Either way, in both scenarios, as long as we stay below $3,304, in my view, the downside pressure remains high, and there's absolutely no sign that gold has bottomed. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, the last decline looks more like 3 waves down, so that does not fully look like the start of a third wave to the downside. So it could either be that this wave 2 is simply extending a little bit. I would not be surprised at all if it's doing that. It would simply mean that there would be a chance it simply tests resistance again. If that happens, I would say it's less likely yellow, more likely white. But a break above 3,304 means that I have to reconsider. Okay, have to reconsider. At the moment, for me, the pressure is downward. Been highlighting that last week already, a couple of weeks ago, that we've possibly topped there. Since then, it's gone down further. And we'll see if the downside pressure remains high. Yeah, you know, what I would not, all I'm saying is I would not be surprised for a larger wave 2. Any break below the Thursday low that formed at 3,212 would be a good indication we've started the third wave down. And then the focus will be on that blue zone here. So overall, yeah, not much more to say there. Just absolutely a key spot here, because let's just say this third wave has started already. Then this would be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we have to turn to the downside right now when we really talk about nanostructures, and this wave 2 might have topped there. Yeah, but yeah, I would just keep the door open for a larger wave 2. The market likes to do these things, but overall I would say the pressure is down. Would like to see the market a little lower. I just find that the most probable pathway. And yeah, that's the update about gold. Tomorrow I can look at it again with maybe a little bit more price action here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional gold updates, silver updates, check out our stocks membership. You'll find the link in the description. I'm also linking it in the comment section. Here you can get access to our stocks, S&P 500 update, ES Futures update, NASDAQ updates, and gold and silver are now included as well. Today I, for example, uploaded a long-term gold video for our members as well, and silver as well. So you get additional updates there including the TradingView live chart. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.